Wild Academy is an extension of Wild, smaller, more focused groups where women can learn those soft skills to be a great leader. I think the whole thing behind women's empowerment and why we have such gender-based initiatives, it's quite simple. There is great disparity between men and women in equal positions globally. There is strong research by McKinsey that suggests if we have more gender equal roles, particularly with leaders, it has a direct return on corporate returns. And that's not because women necessarily are better than men or men are better than women. It's because women have different skill sets, i.e. we have a higher emotional intelligence, which helps us to be more empathetic.
I think I saw Archana present about 6 months ago, and I was truly moved, and I was like, wow, not only she has a presence, but she has a voice, and she's able to get people to relate to her.
Wild is something that I wish I had found a few years ago. I had an unpleasant experience when I first came to Dubai. I felt I couldn't turn to anybody because I'd never been to Dubai before. I didn't have any friends, I'd no network, I'd nobody to communicate with. So if I had a Wild Academy, I could have expressed myself, I could have had the support, the network, and just general advice of what to do, who to turn to.
I went to a conference and I was presenting to an audience. I had my colleague take a video of me, and after I looked at the video I was so stiff. In my head I was quite confident in what I was saying, so maybe if I had taken a course or someone spoken about it out there, I would have taken note of how to kind of use my body language to project that confidence or that knowledge of what I know. So I thought coming here will be one step further to improve those personal skills that I can use on a day-to-day basis.
Well, the reason why I'm here is because I want to make a difference when I get up and I present. I don't necessarily want to be just a presenter that wants to discuss what my experiences are and what I've done in the past. I want to motivate and I want to inspire other people. Because as designers, you have to present and you have to sell your ideas every day, whether it's to clients or project managers or contractors or even your colleagues at work.
We held the first Wild Academy session over the weekend. The feedback so far is overwhelming. A lot of women walked out extremely motivated, extremely inspired, and ready to take on the world, which is really what Academy aims to do.